Welcome to how to install Android TV on external hard drive. With this method, you turn your computer into an Android TV with an external hard drive. You can use this method with a USB drive, but I recommend using an external hard drive for a better experience. Let's get started. These are the files to install Android TV. I use a tool called Rufus to install Android TV onto an external hard drive. You enable List USB hard drives to display external hard drives in the list of devices. Next, browse to the ISO file of the Android TV operating system. Then you wait a few minutes to complete creating a bootable external hard drive. Once completed, browse the files on the external hard drive. Among the files, you pay attention to the file named data4g. You unzip this file and save it here. You follow the steps above. After you have completed the above steps, restart your computer. You access the BIOS and set up your computer to boot from the external hard drive. You apply the changes and boot the computer to the Android TV. Android TV connects to the internet and some basic settings for the first boot. Above is how to install Android TV on an external hard drive. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Google Lock. After completing the Android TV boot, use your Google account to install applications if you want.